If you want to chop my money, baby, you must chop my money.
Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Abby. In today's video I'll be doing something really different from my usual cooking and all that stuff. I'm actually going to maybe three or four or two different suya spots that don't actually open at night. So if you want to get suya maybe during the day, like around that afternoon period, maybe from 4 p.m, yeah, you can go to this places I'll be showing you. I think I'm going to divide these videos, this particular video into maybe 3 parts, because I also want to vlog other things as well. I'll be showing you guys good stuff. Anyway, so I'll be showing you. I've been to these places before and they have really good suya. Like their suya is mad. They have chicken suya, beef and all that wishy. Anyways, I'll be taking you guys along. I'm going to pick my brother now. I'm also going to pick my cousin. When I told him about this, then he said he wanted to come, and I know they'll finish my money. I can't really eat much because I started my diet. Anyways, we'll be taking you guys along. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below and share my video as well. Let's go. And again, you guys should please bear with me. Yeah, I'm using my phone to make this vlogging videos. I'm going to get a vlogging camera very soon, pretty soon, in less than 2 weeks, hopefully. So please bear with me. I know the quality isn't all that great. I know all the shakiness and all that stuff. I get another camera soon and make good vlogging videos for you people. Alright guy, I'm waiting for you. Really? Oh my god. Animal. Very crazy sometimes when I'm driving. Like I think I have road rage. I know I do. I gotta go. I'm about to get on the express now. So see you guys later. I just got to the place where I'll be picking up my brother from. So I just told my brother to drive because full family. There's the girl riding. Don't sit down on my bag. Mr. Lover, it gets smaller. What are you into? What are you into?
I'm moving the chair forward.
Why?
It's too tight at the back end. Where?
Are you not coming here?
Where?
Here.
Drive? I should drive?
I still want to make video and they should drive.
You said that's why we came to the back now. No vex.
See this one, I even think you to change.
Hey, what up? This is YC on the beat. Kò lè yé yín, ṣó yé yín, ó pọ̀.
See the power bank. That time you called me, I said that.
You never come
I
out.
never come out. Unless your
Well,
mama
you don't call
copies.
me.
Your mama copies. I said, yeah, bring the kidney where you go. I think I'll use hand vlog. So I just picked up my brother now.
Yeah, zero. We out here popping bottles, you know. We popping bottles every day. We out here.
Papa, just shut up. Anyways, yeah, so we're going to my cousin's house now to go and get him, and we'll be going to the Suya place next.
Pop. We popping bottles here, you know.
You know that day used to think people are Yahoo boys are going to shoot you now. They're getting pop. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we get there. It's going to be a fun trip.
Jamo, ó pọ̀.
So we just got to the Suya place now, the one at Bagada. I'll put the... How are they going to even know how to get here? How are they going to know how to get to this place?
Unless I'm seeing like the location, you put it.
Anyways, so let's go and eat some Suya. Nice Suya.
It's not part of the new day.
Let me see. And that's my cousin, my brother. I don't know what I was thinking. So everything we bought is 3,700 and it's a lot. Okay. I love this good chicken. Over 10. Yeah? Over 10. What will you give this here? 6.5. Yunko.
7.
It's about 7. Over 10. I actually give this Suya 8 or 8.5. That's 8.5 doesn't make any difference. I don't like the beef. I don't like beef normally. So these kidney. Yeah, this kidney. I didn't believe it. This why am I forgetting everything? Gizzard.
You go shout. You must have money. You don't perform them.
Delicious. Exciting. What's this? Heineken. When should I drink Heineken? This doesn't try anything. I thought you used to mix it with Sprite. So everything you guys saw them cutting earlier was 3,700 naira. The chicken was 1,000 each. I bought 2 chicken, I bought 2 gizzard to 200 naira. I bought 2 kidney, I bought 2 shaki, and I bought 1 beef. The beef was 500. Everything was about 3,700. I'll put the amount on the screen so you guys will see it. So we're leaving here. This is what is left from everything that we bought. So we're going to the next place now. I think it's called University of Suya. We're also going to go to... Don't worry, I'll show you guys when we get there. We're leaving here. The remaining one I'll pack it and take it home for the people at home. So I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye! Left that place. The Suya was bay. You see, only talent, only pep. It does not have pepper, Jared. Pepper is not. It's just very nice. I mean, the Maggi will enter inside the body. You know, the Maggi enter inside the corners of the. You know. Anyways, my cousin gave it a 9. I gave it 8.5. My brother, why don't you give him
7.5.
7.5.
Yeah,
We're going to the next Suya place now, and I'll take you guys along. Like I said, everything I bought was 3,700 naira. I don't know the name of the place. It does not have a name. It's just like when you get to Bagada, when you get to Charlie Boy bus stop at Bagada, you just take your first right.
You guys should fuck out now.
Okay, I'm on the fucking.
Sorry.
So when you get to Bagada, when you get to Charlie Boy bus stop, you take your first right, then your next right again. Then you see the Suya place. Once you turn into the next right, you see